nalgada y órale, cabrón. Esta es una vieja. Haga las pinches nalgadas a la güey.
Check out this weather, guys. Beautiful, beyond beautiful. Hell yeah. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to the video. All right, so today we're gonna be taking the giveaway truck right here to get some tint finally. So they're gonna be tinting the two side windows and then the back window, not the front windshield. It's already tinted, but it's like a 70%. But the heat doesn't come in either way. Well, it does, but not as bad. So we're gonna be dropping this one off at Select Audio and Tint, my boy. So just go check out his Instagram. I'll leave it right here, and hit him up for any tint you need. Tell him Big O Chubb sent you. He's gonna give you a good deal. And then we're gonna be taking the Denali right here to finally get that front windshield replaced, because it's been cracked for like the longest. I'll show you guys right now. I don't know if you guys can see that crack, but it goes all the way down. Plus I want to put a new banner on it, so that's why I've been wanting to change out the windshield. So hell yeah, we're gonna go pick up my boy right now, Santos. He's gonna be driving the giveaway truck, and then we out. Let's go. The hot weather is finally going away, guys. So, hell yeah, happy about that. Damn, guys, she sounds good. Hell yeah. Once she's calm, we're gonna have to get her a little bit more quiet though. All right, we went to a meet the other night, so I'm gonna throw in those clips right here. I didn't get that much, but I did get a lot of tricks leaving the truck meet, so check it out, guys. Bunch of fools were swinging and everything, even cars, so check that out while I go pick up my boy. Hell yeah. Alright guys, we're here at Select Audio and Tinting. They're gonna be tinting the giveaway truck right here. So pretty sure we're gonna go pretty dark on the sides and the back, so it's gonna look way better. Give it a better look. Alright guys, here's the shop. We're gonna be doing the Denali's tint right here too, so I'm gonna put the address right here on the screen and down in the description so you guys can check it out. Hit this guy up. Got a truck meet going on here. Huh? 22s? Ahí si me quedo atorado y me jalan, okay? That's fucking sick, dude. Fuck. You guys ready? There goes the cross member. Alright, I think we're good. Fuck. Alright, so we're back home. Shout out to my boy Santos for helping me take the giveaway truck to get it dropped off for the tint. They already kind of updated me, and one side of the tint is already done, so probably should have just stayed there or something. But the plan was to, while it's getting tinted, get the front windshield replaced with my boy Reyes, but he's super busy. I understand why. He does a great job with everything. I need the windshield done within the next 2 days, so I'm like a little less busy these 2 days, so I just want to get it done. Select Audio and Tint, they also do windshield replacements, so we're gonna be doing it with them. He also gave me a great deal, so hit up Select Audio and Tinting. So get yourself some tint, windshields replaced, anything replaced. So they also do audio. So if you guys need anything done, hit up my boys and let them know that Big O Chubb sent you. So thank you guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right guys, day 2 here. The tint on the seal cab is done. It's freaking badass. He did limo all around except the front windshield. It already has tint, like I said. So now we're gonna take the Denali clone to get this front windshield replaced. And look at that. It goes all the way from the top to the bottom. So yeah, we're gonna be replacing that. And I already have a banner to slap on the front windshield. So I'm excited to do that. Let's go, guys.
So you're gonna go where first?
I need to put gas, dude. Where's the Chevron?
Fuck.
I chose this.
Yep.
I chose this life.
Yep. The low life, right here. Woo! It's baby scraper.
This is gonna be harder, dude.
Gotta scrape the frame, man.
I was driving stick right here with my Modelo.
Yeah. And nobody have that shit yet, huh?
Yeah. Alright guys, here we are, about to replace the front windshield.
¿De dónde nos localicen?
Me localiza. Que nomás pura vieja buena quiere. You guys ain't no old ass viejitos down there, please.
Alright guys, let's go check out this tent real quick. This thing looks dark. Damn. Damn, I can't see shit in there. Look. Well, a little bit. Oh yeah, it looks good. Check it out, guys. Oh yeah.
Acomódate, mija, dile.
No,
Una nalgada.
No muy lento, ¿verdad? No,
Una nalgada y órale, cabrón. No van a bajar del Google, mira, a ver.
Miles de besos y caricias que te di se fueron con el viento cuando te perdí. Aún siguen razones por cual puedo discutir, pero no me importa, te quiero junto a mí. Hoy no quiero que me digas que estás confundida. Quiero una respuesta directa del corazón. Ya ha pasado tiempo, yo ya no lo soporto.
That was only like 40 minutes, guys. This guy's putting in work. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. That's right. Sick. You gonna chill for a bit or what?
I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go get his stocks. Cause I have to go get his stocks.
Oh, okay. Alright, sounds good, bro. I'll see you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
Sweet, man. They're real kidnappers. Oh, I already see. Don't fall for it, bro. Don't fall for it.
I just get
No, allá, digo aquí, allá. Así, así, así. Un chingo.
Alright, guys, here we go. Giveaway winner right here.
Thank
Psych.
you. Told you. What about the money I sold you? Oh, yeah, I just played.
Alright, bro. Just follow me, bro.
Yes, sir.
Go. Alright, guys, check it out. Trucks are home. Damn, look at that tint, though. Limo tint all around. Obviously, except the front windshield. Look at that, guys. It looks so much better. It's coming along good. I also want to say that we went to Reyes Specialty Shop. I don't want to put myself in front of the camera because this lens is very zoomed in and all you guys are always talking shit about it, that zoom out and shit, so I'm not gonna put my face. So we went to Reyes Specialty Shop. I dropped off 2 shirts and he's pretty much gonna be sponsoring this truck for power windows. So that's one of the main things I really wanted to do to this truck, and I'm happy that it's gonna be from one of the best out there, Reyes Specialty. So yeah, we're gonna be having some power windows on this truck finally, and no more of that little cranking shit. So yeah, guys. But other than that, I have a new shirt design that already came out. Check it out right here, or go down in the description to the link and cop some merch, guys. Thank you, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody. TCB, guys.
Miles de besos y caricias que te di se fueron.